Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with Jay, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a square pattern which is titled as Mosaic tile. So it's worked with two colors, and let's go into the video without much delay. With color A, chain 6 and make a ring. And into that ring make a double crochet or chain 4 and begin. Chain 4 is considered as double crochet and chain 1 space. 1 double crochet, and now place chain 1 double crochet 11 times. So complete the stitch requirements and get back. I shall also complete and get back. Now we've come to the end. Chain 1, insert your hook as if you're going to slip stitch into the first stitch or the third chain of chain 4, and then pick up the second color from there. And drop color A here. One single crochet in the next chain space. Chain 2, one single crochet in next chain space. So continue the stitch pattern all around. I shall meet you where I began my stitch here. We've come to the end of this round 2. Now slip stitch into the first single crochet, drop color B and pick up color A. Now with color B here, one single crochet in next chain space, chain 2, one single crochet in the next chain space, chain 2, 2 DC, chain 2, 2 DC in the chain 2, chain 2, 2 DC in the corner. So repeat this from the corner to the side, chain 2, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet in next chain 2 space. Again we have come to the corner, repeat the stitch all around. I shall complete and get back. We've come to the end of the round here, chain 2, slip stitch into the first single crochet and drop color A and draw color B. This round is a very simple round. So single crochet in the next chain space, chain 3, single crochet in the next chain space, chain 3, in the corner single crochet, chain 3, corner single crochet, again chain 3, single crochet in the next space, chain 3, single crochet in the next chain space, chain 3, single crochet in next chain space, chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, single crochet in the corner. So continue the stitch pattern on the other two sides also and complete the leftover stitches on this side. I shall meet you at the end of this round. I've come to the end of the round here. Now last leg, chain 2, slip stitch, join to the first single crochet here. I shall slip stitch and join and fasten off, secure it and fasten off, and get back to you. We have completed the mosaic tie. Hope you like the small stitch pattern, friends. I shall meet you with the next pattern in the next video. Bye for now. Have a great day. At the same time, do subscribe to our Magic Needles channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you're notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Bye friends.